going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we're doing another feature video today featuring James Joubert's Mazda Speed 3, or Mazda MPS as they call it in South Africa. So yeah, he's got a fully built motor, so this is going to be exciting. Let's get it. Welcome to the channel, James.
How's it?
Okay, so as you guys can see, he has a pretty sick MPS fully built. So James, if you don't mind, just give us a bit of background info about the car. Who did your tuning? What mods you have?
Alright, the car I bought in 2017 as a stock MPS. I blew the motor on it, took it to Mazda, new motor, didn't last me long. After that, I decided to build the motor, forge it completely myself, ordered the parts from the States, male 4032 pistons, HB rods, and then mods on it, performance mods. I've got a high pressure fuel pump upgrade, 3-inch intake, 3-inch downpipe with 3-inch straight pipe exhaust to it, water meth, and then a cool cop access port on it, and then the tuning has been done at Vic Tunes.
Oh, awesome. And what system are you running for the water meth?
The water meth is a Coolboost system locally.
Coolboost, okay, how I say, local boys. All right, and any other mods that you know of, brakes or anything else?
I think it's been dropped. I bought it dropped because it's a bit lower than the other MPSs, but yeah,
definitely,
that's about it.
All right, guys, so let's get to the actual feature. Let's go.
Disappointed I'm not on the full kill map, but yeah.
Well, there's definitely something to come back for the full kill map, guys. You got anything for blower valve, or is that still standard?
I forgot about that one. It's I think it's an XL locally.
Local,
actually,
okay.
I actually bought it from Coolboost as well.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, boy.
Guys representing the local boys, eh?
I'm just gonna launch it a little
bit. Oh yeah, launch, there we go. On doing a big turbo upgrade soon, guys, so definitely have a round 2 of the feature, but for stock turbo this thing pulls. So what power is it making, more or less, if you know?
More or less on the access port that I've done a log on the virtual dyno, it says 220 kilowatts on it.
Holy shit. About torque
is 520, I think, 530.
Jeez.
Yeah, they torque monsters.
Heap amount of torque. No wonder there's wheel spin there, bro. Hey. Do you know if these come with the LSD or not? I'm not sure.
It's got a limited slip diff, but they are not a
great one.
Boosting, it's not smoking.
Stop pulling, yeah. Straight pipe, or is it still muffling?
No, straight pipe.
Straight pipe.
Yeah, the neighbors is not a big fan of me.
Yeah, it's okay. There we go. 3rd gear pull, guys. Jeez. Holy shit. Torque steer. Holy, I can literally see he's fighting the steering wheel so hard in 3rd to 4th, guys. Yo, it's insane. Wow. I think with the LSD you wouldn't have that bad of a torque steer, but I mean you are pushing 500 Newton meters, so what's it? Oh yeah. Holy shit, guys, torque steer's
it's about, it's 19 psi, 19.67 psi.
PSI, what is that?
It's about a 1.2.
1.2 bar, yeah.
1.3 maybe.
That's insane, 1.2 bar. I'm sure it could handle a lot more, but that's what the big turbo upgrade is for.
Yeah, after the shit I had with this car, I just said I'm going to build it myself because Mazda fucked up tremendously in the build.
And where did you get the specs for anyone that has an MPS that might be interested in doing the same thing?
Basically all I did, there's a company called Speed Performance in the States, and they actually, you can buy a complete built motor from them.
Holy
so
shit.
I just went to their site and I checked the specs of their built motors, and I just ordered the parts from the site.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah,
and did you find everything locally or
no,
I had to import everything? Holy shit. Boys, he's got a pump and bang map. And he's only telling me about this now. How can you leave that for last? Oh, save the best for last. Eh? Jeez. Hey guys, pops and bangs map is loaded. Keen to hear what it sounds like. So we're not going to be boosting that hard in this on this map. He says there's a bit of a knock with the kill map, so we'll just go for the pops and bangs. Nice and subtle. But it's actually at a level where you won't get irritated with the noise. Holy shit, I can definitely feel the difference of this map. Yeah. Damn, kill map is insane. Oh, I would have so much fun. There we go. Guys, he's literally at the level where if he upgrades anything suspension wise, he's going to break it. So yeah. Oh yeah.
No, this map has got a lot of timing and a bit more boost on it.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, so I don't know, but the knock, you can even check the knock. As soon as you boost it, it starts knocking.
Rather not, keep it in the safe zone, guys.
Yeah.
Alright James, so thank you for letting me see the ride and experiencing a fully built MPS. It's my first one definitely, so can't wait to see once the whole map is sorted and once the kill map is 100% no knock. So guys, I'll definitely be back for another video. Thank you for tuning in. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and please go check out James' channel as well. I'll link it in the description down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the car. It was really insane, and yeah, thank you again for coming out today, James.
Sweet, thanks man.
Awesome, man.